Hi, and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about FIT underbench storage solutions. This is the FIT Classic Pull-Out Unit for installation underbenches. These units are popular as they provide high quality for a reasonable price. They're durable, with a smooth movement, and of course they have a soft close function. There's a very wide selection of models for this one. Cabinet widths of 150, 200 and 300 millimeters, plus options with solid base shelves, with chrome style rails or with chromed wire baskets. On top of that, you can select either 2 or 3 shelves or baskets. It has a strong powder coated frame and weight ratings are generous on this unit, right up to 25 kgs. So what do people use these units for? Well, they're great for herbs, spices, oils, sauces and condiments. So installing one near your hob and oven can make for very efficient movements while you're cooking. They're great for creating function-based go-to zones, like a baking zone, a kid's lunch supply zone, or a breakfast and coffee making station. Here's a pro tip. If you're using one of these for sorting taller items like bottles, there's optional divider bars that clip on and are excellent to prevent items from moving or tipping over when you open or close the unit. And just one point for the kitchen makers and cabinet makers out there. This unit has 6-way adjustment on the front door mounting bracket for a really great fit.